Hello everyone. So in this video I'm going to give you guys review of Ted's woodworking, and it's still working and these plants are still selling. You can see this ad of Ted's woodworking. It's still working and people are still selling Ted's woodworking. You can see two ads here and they are spending money on ads. So when you write review, you get this video. Ted's woodworking fraud or and click bank's compliance in piracy. So this showed that it's a scam. So after watching this video, I made up my mind that yeah, Ted's woodworking is a scam. But then I came to knew some secrets, and after that my opinion just changed that it's not a scam. I don't think Ted's woodworking is a scam, and I'll show you why I don't think it's a scam. So I'm here in Clickbank marketplace, and here you can see that its gravity is 126. Gravity is basically how many people or affiliates are selling this product right now. So 126 affiliates are selling this product. Whenever it's Clickbank's policy that whenever you sell some product and people don't like it, they will just ask for rebill and they will ask for refund. And the person who's selling that product, he has to give his money back when the customer asked for refund. So if Ted's woodworking is not legit, then definitely people will ask for refund, but not many people are asking for refund. So this means that it's a legit product. That's why it's still running, because only few people are asking for refund and it's selling. So that's why I think it's a legit product. And you can see its status here, like its overall rank is 17th, and it's high from 2 years. So yeah, it's a good these are good stats, and definitely more people are selling it and more people are buying it. And also it is having less refunds. And why it's having less refunds? Whenever a product have less refunds, this means that product is a good product. So you can see here 126 people are selling, and even up to 243 people have sold this product. So I think it's yeah, good, and its gravity is constant. You can see here it's constant, it's almost constant, it's constant. So many people are selling this product. This means that it's not a scam, this product is legit. So yeah, if you want to buy these plants, Ted's woodworking plants, you can just click on the link in description that I will give you, and you can buy these plants from there, and you will also get some secret bonuses that I won't reveal right now. But when you will buy these plants, you will get bonuses with these plants. So yeah, I don't think it's a scam, because these stats these stats, I don't think they are lying, and these stats show that it's not a scam because it's selling and it's having less refunds. So that's why I don't think that this product is a scam. And if you want to buy this, you can just use the link in description. And I wish you all have what you want, and you all have a great day.